So 2 years ago, I uploaded the last video to this channel. And I think it's good to catch you up on what's been happening in the meantime, but I think the best way to start is to say that this channel will go in a different direction starting now. Long story short, this channel will no longer feature medical content. The videos that I've been working on are all in the niche of the outdoors, learning things or making things. I am currently working on a few of these video ideas, and one example is me trying to grow my own food, creating a little urban garden and showing you how I do that, how I learn everything from A to Z. And I get you might be watching and thinking, I didn't subscribe to see these kinds of videos. So I have something for that for those who understand Dutch or those who are willing to learn Dutch. Because in the past 2 years, I have been making videos. They were just on a different channel. I made the videos in Dutch and I really focused on the things that I think students should know when they're going through medical school or thinking about going to medical school. So that channel link will be in the description. So why do I want to focus on the outdoors and learning and making things? I think for a long time I felt drawn towards that particular niche, all of the activities that come with that. Especially now that I'm doing a job where I'm mostly sitting, I'm mostly inside, and I'm mostly looking at a screen, I've really felt way more of a pull towards trying those things. But other than that, I really miss making videos, and I think this topic or these topics that I'll be making videos on really allow me to use my creativity again and to feel fulfilled when it comes to my creativity. And then lastly, the videos that I'm planning to make are videos that I watch myself on YouTube as well. So, I mean, this is all just coming full circle. I am so excited to be making this. If you want to stick around for that, please feel free to watch my future videos. If you don't, that's fine, of course. Let's go to what I've been up to in the past few years. So if I want to talk about the last 2 years, I should probably start with the fact that I graduated as a doctor. The last video I think I uploaded was me moving cities to go into my 5th year of medical school. I finished that, and then I only had about 6 to 7 months to go of the 6th year of medical school before I graduated. That all happened. I then moved again to a different city to start my first job as a doctor in occupational health medicine. That's still where I work currently, so it's been a little over a year that I've been doing that. And yeah, next to that I made those YouTube videos on the Dutch channel. I guess that brings us to today. So I hope you'll stick around for the next videos. I'll see you in one of those, and thanks for watching.